Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new, which you probably are because I haven't uploaded in 2 years maybe. Yesterday I ordered these slides, these Yeezy slides, and I saw this interview with Kanye West where he wore this super puffy, oversized but cropped body warmer in a brown tone. I'll insert a picture as well. So I thought by myself that could go very nicely with that pair of slides I ordered. And it just so happens to be that I have some leftover fabric, or like dead stock fabric. I bought it but I never used it. So I thought, why not make this body warmer as like a little quarantine project for today. I still have some patterns, so as I was gonna start to draw a pattern, I realized I just had a customer who bought a jacket who had the exact same measurements as me. So I can use that pattern and just edit a little bit and stuff to make it into the jacket into the body warmer that I want. Okay, so for the fabrics, I have a few, and I don't know which one to do. Yeah, I'll just go with this one then, which is gonna match the slides, which I got perfectly. Yeah, I also have this like slippery army green fabric, which is very nice, in my opinion, but I don't think it's suitable for this project. Maybe it is after I made this. I'll just go for this one for now. Also, I made 2 patterns, but I have 4 pieces. That's because it has a lining, because it's filled. So one of these will be the inner work and the other one will be the outer work. I just got my 2 orders in. Also a good time to check the fabric color with the slides because my order just came in. And but yeah, this is the shoe I ordered. I got it in this colorway and also in this colorway, so I got 2 pairs now, which is quite nice. I think I might sell this one because I'm not that big of a fan, but yeah, they're still nice. I think this color matches really well with the color that I'm using for the vest. It doesn't. Okay, so here we have all 4 of the panels. I am gonna press them now because it's just easier with sewing, basically. Yeah. So all the pieces have been pressed, or ironed, if you would call it that. I just like managed to press most of the wrinkles out, but all the folds that were already in the fabric are really hard to get out because of the coating on the other side. It kind of like is fixated or fixed. Do you call it like that? Yeah, my native language is not English, so I don't know all the words right on the top of my head. But yeah, you know what I mean. I didn't get this out, like the fabric fold. Also these folds. It was folded in my closet as well, and it has been in there for at least 2.5 years probably. So yeah, that's kind of in there forever, I think. I just realized that I never bought thread matches, so I'm just gonna use a different one. This is what's closest to my fabric, so I'm just gonna use this. It's a yellowish. I think it will work. So as you can see, the contrast is there. It's not super big, but you can see there's like a different color stitching in it. I don't really mind. I even chose to do a top stitch on the shoulder. And this is where I knew I fucked up. Yeah, I forgot that I'm making like a vest form. In order to do that, you need to be able to sew the armholes and turn it inside out again. But I've been sewing the side seams as well, and you need those as an opening for the armholes. So I'm opening all of them up again. Such a waste of time. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be done. Yeah, so you got the layer here, another layer on top, and then you stitch around the armholes, both here, and the full front seam right here. Also the back hem. as well. Now I'm just ironing all the seams out so it's like neat, and yeah, so it looks better. It's currently 12 a.m. and I finished the vest. Yeah, I'll show you detail shots tomorrow because I'm gonna go to bed. Good morning, today's a new day. So this is what the end result looks like. I finished it yesterday today at like 1 a.m. The thing I did, I just took the base, I filled it up with fiberfill, like in sections. So I filled the top up first. Then I did the like gap in between, which is 2 centimeters, no, 2.5 centimeters now. Then I filled another part, did another gap, filled another part, and so on. Yeah, the only thing that I noticed is that, as we know, Kanye does everything like with a reason, and at the moment he dedicates his life to like Christianity, and I was looking at the photo and something was different than mine. For sure the length, I think his length is 63 centimeters, and I think the gaps in between the panels are 3 centimeters as well. And why I think it's 3 is because 3 is a biblical number. He has 3 panels, so it would only make sense if he also had 3 centimeters in between. But that's something I only thought about after seeing the finished product and comparing it to his. The thing I also did is I made mine shorter. Mine is really cropped. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. But yeah, mine is very cropped. I could make a longer version eventually, but I don't have any more fabric of this. So I'll see what I'll do. This is fine for now. And especially for such a quick project, I did it in like 6 hours or something, 7 hours. So I'm quite happy with how it turned out. So here's what it looks like on. I know this is not really a tutorial, but if you want me to make a tutorial, then let me know. I'll make one. Yeah, I would also like to get some feedback on if you want to see more videos or not. Maybe if you don't, I will still do it because it's also fun for me to look back at. But yeah, this was my little quarantine project, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. I don't really know how to end these kinds of videos. But yeah, take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.